Founded in 1996, Guangzhou Goodsense Decorative Building Materials Company Limited, Goodsense, is a large, eco-friendly decorative building material enterprise with integration of R&D, design, production, sales, and brand operation. Covering an area of over 13 hectares, Goodsense has built over 100,000 square meter standard factory buildings, with more than 1,000 senior management, design, R&D, and production personnel. Goodsense specializes in production of various decorative building materials such as aluminum composite panels, aluminum honeycomb boards, aluminum core composite panels, colored aluminum rolls, acrylic mirror sheets, and CEP boards. Every product is made by Goodsense creatively, equipped with professional product experiment, research, and development rooms. Goodsense knows the modern residential requirements clearly, is brave in utilizing new materials and technologies, and always guides the industrial trend by products. Goodsense has introduced internationally advanced production equipment, built more than 20 complete panel production lines, and guaranteed the long-term stability of capacity and quality.